Hello everyone. I guess you guys have already knew that World Cup 2022 is about to begin on November 21st, right? That's exciting! You guys remember before the pandemic, we get to visit to the stadiums where the World Cup tournament took place. And some people at the bars, watch on TV and cheer for the team they stand for while drinking their friends and stuffs. You know what comes afterward with watching football matches with friends? Of course, they won't cheer for their team to win unless they bet on their side. For the bet, we were only familiar with the traditional betting method, which includes the dealers and stuffs. Mostly, we only get to depend on that dealer, even he or she isn't trustworthy. But don't worry at all. I have found the answer for those who want to bet fair and square. Behold, here comes an app aimed for the World Cup 2022, and it's called Hash.sc. To use this application, you can register using a phone number or an email address. Yeah, you can just simply register. You type your phone number without the zero, you put the verification code, you put the password, confirmation password and verification code, and you click on register, and the same thing goes for the email address, and you get a 5 USDT welcome gift for the new users. Let's click now on login, and let's put the email address and login password. So after making an account, you will get 5 USDT as welcome bonus, and we'll talk now about the Hashmarks 6 game. Hashmarks 6 game is a blockchain lottery jackpot. You have a chance to win $200,000 grand prize. And we will explain that this game is 100% fair because it uses the hash ID or the transaction ID on the public chain. So it's based on the hash ID. For who doesn't know what does mean hash ID, it's the transactions numbers of crypto coin when they are transferred to the blockchain. They appear randomly and no one or institution can manipulate the hash ID. The company also provides a link to the public chain to check and ensure the fairness with one click. So let's click on hash games. Here we have the Hashmark 6, and if we click here, if we click on the hash link, a new link will be opened, and you will see the hash ID, and to ensure that this game is 100% fair, so it's not fake and it's not manipulated by the company. As you see, we have everything here. I will give you all the details. If you don't understand anything, you have here how to play, and also we have the instruction, and we have here the fair description. Yes, now we will scroll down like this, as you see, and you can place 2 bets. Why? You have 5 USDT, and each bet costs you 2 USDT. As you see, per bet 2 USDT. You have multiple bets, and when you get 5 USDT as welcome bonus, that means you can play twice for free. And I heard that someone has won the second prize 5,000 times placing 2 bets for USDT multiplies by 5,000, and he won 20,000 USDT. That's crazy, isn't it? Anyway, it's free, so there's no harm in trying your luck. Now let's click on the hash minutes game like this. As I said before, you can bet starting from 2 to 5,000 USDT. You just choose number plus letters, letters plus numbers, numbers and numbers, letters and letters, big, small, odd, even. Now, if you click on numbers plus ABC, that means you have here a number and a letter. If you choose ABC plus number, that means you start with a letter, you start with a letter and a number. Let's wait a few moments. We have here many winners, so you can understand how it works. So let's wait for a few minutes. It says here to be opened. Let's just wait until it's Yeah, as you see, this is the last winner. It's 12. You just click on the hash, so you can ensure that this game is 100% fair. It's not fake, it's not manipulated, and this is very cool. Yeah, as you see, the last two numbers is 12. Yeah, you will see everything here, so you don't have anything to worry about. Yeah, now let's play again. Yeah, as you see here, for example, you type here 2 and you just need to click on bet like this and you play. It's very easy and you have nothing to worry about working for the Hashmarks 6 game, so you just click on random or empty and you just play. Yeah, as you see here, we have many winners. You can click here on random and you click on next. As you see, here you enter the numbers. Here you play with the USD. As you see, you can play with the USD like this. You can bet with 5 USDT if you win, or you can play with 2 USDT and you earn a double. That's very cool, isn't it? So let's click on bet. As you see, completed. And now we have also in the initial handicap game. As you see, we have many matches where you can play. Yeah, as you see here, we have all, we have the full, we have also the half match. Yeah, you can also check the other matches. Yes, as you see here, for example, Bayern Munich. Yeah, that's full match and this is the half match. You can see all the information here, as you see, yeah, of the halftime, big or small. Also we have the full match, as you see here, the audience win, and we have also the audience big or small. Let's talk now about the World Cup. Yeah, guessing Grand Prix. As you see, we have here many things here. As you see, if you want to read this page, you have everything here. Yeah, how to upgrade and how much is the commissions and how much every VIP win, and also we have the wallet address if you want to check every transaction made on this address, and you have the manager Telegram if you want to contact them. Yes, now we're gonna click. Yeah, we have the win game, and also we have the small or big game. We have many things, yes, as you see here, and also we have the jackpot description. You just need to click here. So let's talk about this World Cup 100x jackpot. So every user here is automatically participated in this event, and you should know that the higher the winning percentage, the higher the ranking. So the average amount is not less than 1000 USDT, and you can play not less than 20 games, and you have a winning percentage of at least 55%. And if you meet the all conditions, you will get a 100x bonus. For example, the average of 1000 USDT and 65% win rate is $650, and if we multiply it with 100, you will get $65,000. That's a big prize. Now let's talk now about the invitation rewards. So if someone clicks on the invite link you shared on social media, I will show you the link. You just click on friend invite. Yes, like this, and you can see your team from this button. You will get 10 USDT and 1% commission. So this is my team list. As you see here in the direct bonus, I won over 1000 USDT, as you see here. Yeah, and now I'm gonna show you the team bonus. So as you see here, this is my team bonus. Yeah, you can see the team win and the team loss with every details. So this is very detailed and very explained, so thanks to this platform. You can also take a look about the friends who lost, as you see here. Yes, you have the details and the friends. So let's return to our page and let's talk now about the agent settings. Yes, let's click on agent settings now. So for the agent play, you will never lose 100%, and you can apply for an upgrade or do a task to get agent plays, that means VIP 5, and you get 35% of total lost bets of friends who you refer to register as commission, and you can contact customer service to upgrade to VIP 5. So here we have the level settings. You can level choose between level 2, level 3, level 4 and level 5, and you click on confirm. So it's very easy to contact the customer service. You just need to click here, yeah, and you can contact the customer service via email or Telegram and also WhatsApp. So this is the whole video. If you like it, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.